Morning to you at home as well. Well, the weather is changing after our very soggy March. April has started off on a drier note, but yesterday we still did have a fair amount of cloud around, a few splashes of rain too. But today certainly things are turning drier and brighter, and for many of us there'll be some sunshine on offer through the day as well. That's all down to the fact that high pressure is building across the UK, so that's squeezing away the weather fronts that have been with us a lot recently. And actually that dry and settle theme is going to stick around for the next few days, so certainly a settled spell of weather on the cards. We have got a fair amount of cloud first thing this morning, and it's just producing some drizzle across parts of Scotland, perhaps northern England over the next few hours as well. But moving through the morning, then the sunshine extends more widely across central and eastern areas. A little bit more cloud hanging on for parts of Wales, Scotland for instance as well, and a bit of a breeze blowing through parts of East Anglia and the southeast. And with that easterly influence, it's going to feel still fairly cool for the likes of Aberdeen, Newcastle, 9 or 10 degrees around the east coast, but further west we could see highs up to about 13, possibly 14 degrees in one or two spots. So plenty of dry, settled weather as we head through this evening. Overnight, any of that cloud tending to melt away a little bit, so largely clear skies and light winds too. So the recipe for quite a chilly night, actually the coldest night we've seen in a while. So temperatures tonight dipping down below freezing for many of us, even in some of the towns and cities. Could be a touch colder than that in the countryside. So I think a touch of frost around first thing Monday morning, but that's going to clear away really quickly because there'll be plenty of sunshine tomorrow. A few misty patches possible, but they'll clear quickly. Lots of blue sky, lots of sunshine, light winds for most of us as well. A little bit of a breeze still blowing through parts of East Anglia, through southern England as well. Top temperatures tomorrow, possibly a degree or so up on today, 13, 14 degrees for some of us, but again a touch cooler if you are close to that east coast on Monday. Fine, settled weather holds on into Tuesday too, so high pressure still with us. We have got weather fronts just trying to topple in from the northwest, so a bit of a change for Northern Ireland and for Scotland too. A bit more cloud, breeze picking up, and just the odd shower cropping up through the day on Tuesday. England and Wales, though, staying dry and settled with lighter winds and temperatures doing it pretty well. 14, could see 15 degrees in one or two spots, and not such a cool feel to the weather around that east coast as we're seeing a bit of a change in wind direction by this stage. Into the middle of the week, and high pressure still close to us, but we are seeing fronts just moving in from the Atlantic, and they will bring some wet and windy weather across the northwest of the UK. As they head their way southwards and eastwards, though, they'll bump into that area of high pressure. So if we take a look at the outlook through the week ahead, of course, many children on their school holidays this week, it is looking pretty decent. Could see some rain through the middle part of the week, though, with those weather fronts, especially towards northern and western parts of the UK. But at this stage, it looks like things are going to be drier and warmer for Good Friday and into the Easter weekend. Ben and Tina.